Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my YouTube SEO video review. If your videos appears on YouTube Google page 1, how much will you earn? Discover how to optimize your videos for the YouTube search engine, so you can outrank your competitors. Starting today. In this specific video training course, you will get to watch over the shoulder step by step, click by click, and learn what you need to do before making your YouTube videos live get rank. Video marketing is one of the easiest ways to get highly targeted traffic, but you have to do it right. Video number 1, Introduction to YouTube SEO. We want to make sure that you are in the right mindset. Video number 2, Competitive Research. The best way to understand how you can rank better is to do a bit of competitive research. Video number 3, Highly Searched Keywords. One mistake we see many YouTubers make is making their own title and description. It's nothing new that YouTube is a huge source of traffic for your products or services. Video number 4, Your Title and Description, taking what you have gathered in the previous videos, let me show you how to properly create your titles and descriptions. Video number 5, Video File Optimization. This is one of the most skipped steps because it is a little technical, but you'll learn how so you can get one step ahead of your competitors. Video number 6, Your Thumbnail. The thumbnail is the first thing people see as they are scanning to find what interests them the most. You will learn the most updated SEO strategies that you must do before you make your YouTube videos live. Video number 7, Video Length. The big question is, how long should your video be? Yes, most folks have said to make your videos short, and that worked in the past. Video number 8, Secret Tip to outrank your competitors. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description.